thread that. Yeah, I just need to rethread. It has to be opposite on one side from the other. But I want to get these things welded up here. Little clamps.
Oh, that's neat.
Okay.
Yep,
So
I move back.
When you say rethread it, I can't just pull this through and connect everything?
the belt has to be, if it's on top on one side, it has to be on the bottom on the other for the Y's. If you understand what I mean.
On top on one side,
Yeah, the
and
belt
the bottom
peg,
on the other.
the clamp has to be on top and bottom, opposite sides on each side.